Hi, this is Matthew May with QuickRegisterSEO.com, and today I'm going to show you a super effective affiliate marketing technique. I'm going to show you how to rebrand our free ebook list of 36 working free classified ad sites with your own affiliate ID in just a few clicks. And I'm going to show you how you can make affiliate commissions by giving away this valuable free ebook to your list. But before I go on, hey, I'd like to ask you if you could do me a favor, and in the comments below, if you have a favorite affiliate marketing technique, why don't you let us know what it is in the comment section below, and we can all learn from each other. I think that would be a great thing, and I'll look at them and let you know what I think. And also, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button below and the bell icon, and that way you will be notified when we come out with new videos. So this is a really effective marketing technique that we have used to generate sales for classifiedsubmissions.com, and it's great for affiliates because what we're doing is we're giving them a free ebook. So here's the free ebook. It's real simple. All right. It's a list of 36 working classified ad sites where they can post their ads, and you can embed YouTube videos, up to 3 images, and stay live 90 days. So that's really good. People are looking for places to advertise. So we've created this list of classified ad sites. And I did this because on my blog, I had done this years ago, created a list of classified ad sites, and it became this ridiculously popular blog post. I had no idea that people were so interested in lists of classified ad sites. So it kind of got me into this whole thing, but it just kind of virally took over. So I know people are interested in this. So here's this ebook. It's all done for you. It's very simple. It's basic, easy to read, and it gives you all these sites. You can go and list, add your ad on. All right, and then there are links and banners for classifiedsubmissions.com, which is a classified ad submission service, which will do all this work for you. So it can be quite rather tedious filling out all the forms on each one of the sites manually, though you can do it. And we offer actually to submit for you. So if anyone clicks on these links and you have rebranded this ebook, you will get credit as an affiliate, and the cookie lasts for a year. So even if someone orders 6 months ago or 8 months later or up to a year later, you're going to get credit for it. And this sells like crazy, by the way. All right, I mean, I pay affiliate commissions every month, and I've got people making affiliate commissions every single day. So this is a very hot seller because nobody wants to post their ads on all these sites, and they'll pay a reasonable fee and to have someone do it for us. And our prices are very reasonable, and we do a lot for what we charge, and we pay you 50%, which is huge. Sometimes I think I'm crazy just to do it. So anyways, here is the ebook. Okay, now you need to give it away, but you need to rebrand it with your affiliate ID. So how do you do that? We've made it super simple. What you do is you come here to this page. I'll put a link below, at classifiedsubmissions.com/free ebook 2 with lots of E's in it. I'll put the link below. It's easier. You come here and you sign up for free for the affiliate program right here. You just sign up for free. Very simple. Name, you pick a username. That's important. You pick your own password. And by the way, we can pay you by PayPal or Google Pay. And we have a few other options as well. Zelly Pay if you're in the US. So, if you have a problem with PayPal, we can also pay you by Google Pay. So, fill this out and you're going to choose a username. Okay? Your username, whatever that is, you choose it. If it's available, you get it. So, I'm not going to go through the whole sign up process. You can do it. You sign up and that's it. Now, what you do is you come here and you simply put in your username, whatever it is that you chose and signed up for. You click rebranded, and voila, here you go. You have your own rebranded version of the ebook. So you have both a direct link here and you have a download link where you can download it. So you come here. This is how simple this is. Really literally was one click. Now you want to download it? Okay, let's download it. We'll download this to our downloads folder. down to our desktop. Just make it easy. Let's do this. And this is your rebranded version of this ebook. Okay, so this is not just the one that I have online. This one is your rebranded version. So here's your rebranded version, and I'm going to click open, and it's going to open. It's a PDF file. So here we go. It looks even better in the PDF. We got the whole list. Classified ad sites. Now, if I hover over it, all right, you can see this. It says classifiedsubmissions.com/g-o/your username. So if your username was Bill Smith, it would say Bill Smith. That means this is coded to you. So I click here. This is going to be coded to you. All right. You're going to get credit for it. So I just clicked the link and I went to classifiedsubmissions.com. And if you come all the way down to the bottom, there is a referred by, and this is the cookie that is set. So since I clicked the link with your username as the cookie, this is the cookie that is set, and it would be your username, whatever it is you chose. And this shows that it's tracking. It will not show it up in the search bar below. So a lot of times people expect to see their affiliate link up at the top. Ours doesn't work that way because it actually makes it better for you because no one can just take your link and then replace it in the browser. So it protects you. So it just tracks by cookies. So here you go. You've got your username. This is where you can know that it's tracking. I clicked the ebook. All right. I clicked the ebook here. I clicked on the banner and it went to your username. So here we go. So what do you do with this? People are looking for free places to advertise. And who are the best prospects for our service? People who are already advertising. So you can, of course, send this to your list. If you have a list of people who are interested in marketing online, send them an email. Say, hey, here's a free list of classified ad sites. You're sending them free information where you can advertise your offer for free. Great. You're sending them a free list. If they decide to sign up for the service, they get tired of posting manually, you get credit. As simple as that. You could share it on social media. You can go to document sharing sites like slideshare.net. Okay, you can go to slideshare.net and upload it there. Another thing you can do is you can make your own YouTube video about this ebook. Say, hey, I'm giving away a free ebook, list of 36 working classified ad sites, and put the download link in the description of your YouTube video. All your social media accounts, you could upload it. So however you promote, however you get your message out, you can give this information out. And there's another a little bit more advanced technique where you contact people who are already advertising and ask them permission to send them a free list of classified ad sites. And the great thing about it is that it's a very low key way of selling. You're not giving them a hard pitch. You're just offering some, hey, they're advertising anyway. You want a list of places where you can advertise and get even more exposure, that it's all for free. So you can ask people if they want this list, people who are already advertising. It's a really great soft sell way to get affiliate commissions, giving away free, valuable information. And we've made it super easy with our online rebrander. So that's it. I'm going to put all this information in the description below, the link where you can go to rebrand your ebook and sign up for the affiliate program. I encourage you to sign up for the affiliate program. We're looking forward to sending you affiliate commissions. This is a super hot seller. We sell this every single day, and there's no reason why you can't start making some sales with this as well. You know, and this is a note to some of the people who are doing a lot of the business opportunity things. That is a hard thing to sell. You know, in the gold rush, I'm sure you've heard this story, the people who made the money were the people who were selling the shovels, not people looking for gold. So in a way, the people doing a lot of the business opportunity stuff, they're looking for the gold. And you might want to take a look at selling the tools. And here we're selling the tools. This sells. So if you're looking to get some success, you know, this might be a good way to start. I'm not promising you, like on the business opportunities, you're going to make millions and millions of dollars selling this. All right. But it's very realistic to be able to make sales because the product is good, the service is good, it's something that people want, and it's reasonably priced, and we've got good follow-up too. So when people sign up on our newsletter, it follows up automatically, and you get credit even if people, you know, sign up from after hearing 10 emails from us. So click the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and let us know what you think in the comments area. If you have other affiliate marketing techniques that you have, or if you have other questions about this. Thank you so much. This is Matt with QuickRegister, SEO.com.